Here's how the bar unleashes innovation on a team. I want you to think back to a time in your personal life when you absolutely had to get something done. Not necessarily life or death, but something you determined had to get done, and there were clear obstacles in your path. Obstacles that made the odds not tilt in your favor. In fact, the better chance was you weren't going to get it done. And yet you could not entertain that possibility. And as a result, your mind goes into this mode where you are completely consumed with divergent thinking, outside the box ideas, all sorts of levels of creativity, risk taking, complete tunnel focused mission. Now, imagine being with a small group of people who have that same mindset about getting something done. That's called mission driven work. Mission is about getting something done when the odds are against you. Otherwise, we wouldn't call it mission driven. We wouldn't say people are on a mission. Mission kicks in when the math stops working. And when the math is not on your side, you've got to have a mindset. That mindset doesn't necessarily guarantee you'll get it done. But you think back during times in your life, more times than not, you've gotten the result you've wanted or better. That's the kind of mindset you and your team have to have regarding essentials. You got to discipline yourself to put aside what you think you know about kids and their backgrounds and think about nothing but the one question that matters. How will we get them there? And once you do that, you will transform your learning space into what looks like an emergency room operating area where everyone, all hands on deck, no one's thinking about what can't happen. They're only thinking about possibilities. They're asking each other about best practices and making it happen. That's the mindset. So when you and your team put your proverbial back to the wall and decide no kid is getting out of here without mastering these targets, innovation will be unleashed.